Now in this video we will see how to solve a quadratic equation using the process of factorization. Here you can see an example, a very familiar example for you. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. We already factorized this expression in our previous examples. So let's check it out. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. We need to factorize it. We can write it x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. If we take a x as a common factor, from these two we get x multiplied by x minus 2 minus, if we take a common factor 3 from here, 3 into x, if we take away the 3, here we will put x. Here this minus will turn this plus into a minus. So 6 divided by 3, we get a 2 equal to 0. That means x minus 2, if we take this as a common factor, x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, either x minus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Why? When two factors are multiplied and their resultant is 0, so therefore at least any one of them is 0. So either this one is 0 or this one is 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0, that means x equal to 2, and x minus 3 equal to 0, that means x equal to 3. So our answer is x equal to 2 or 3.